Well, what's happening with Aggie? Aggie is done with her shots. She's been done with the antibiotic shots for about probably 8 to 9 weeks now. I never missed the shot. She went through them all. She was feeling good. And now she's getting a congestion again. She's got the congestion sometimes at night. Up there you go. Miss Aggie, come on over here. But she's not feeling really terrible. And I have drops called CERENIA. And I put 1 drop in her nose. What are you afraid of? Come on over here. 1 drop in her nose, each nostril, each day. And right now she's shedding a lot, so she's getting brushed out every day. You can see the fur laying on the floor over there. Come on, Aggie. I didn't mean to scare you out of the box here. She's still eating some hay. She was in here eating hay. So it's just kind of day by day, and I'm hoping that this, if she just stays with a little bit of congestion and sniffles, but doesn't get real sick feeling, that we can get along okay. Excuse me, but I don't know what'll happen as time progresses because there's no other antibiotics that will help. I asked the vet, would another round of shots help? And she said no. You know, if that didn't kill off the bacteria completely, then nothing's going to kill off these bacteria completely. And this is an ongoing problem she's had all her life. So it may be an immune system disorder, but she's not able to fight bacteria off like a normal rabbit would. And normal rabbits would have a lot of bacteria up in their nostrils. It's just natural for rabbits, and as well as other animals. But your immune system can keep it under control, and hers doesn't seem to be able to. Miss Aggie. Miss Aggie. Come on up here, Aggie. And leave the cord alone. She's very nosy about the cord for the heating pad for the chick. You gotta keep an eye on her because she's always over there looking at it. And one time she grabbed it with her mouth and started swinging it. Yeah, what are you doing? Hey, Eggster. Come on up here. Come on. Miss Aggie. Where are you? Come on. Come on. Peekaboo. Miss Aggie. Don't chew on that. Hey. Why are you chewing the bedspread? How you doing, Miss Eggs? There she is. And Julie with that beautiful face. The baby girl. There's eggs. Okay, so she's upside down on my lap. And I'm just going to put this in her nostril slightly and pinch. There it goes. Okay, and then I'm going to hold her upside down for a little while, kind of supporting her neck. Let's do the other nostril here. She's pretty good about it. Make sure it gets down in the nostril. I'm trying to hold the camera and do this one-handed, but it went down in the nostril. And now I'm just going to hold her upside down here. I just have her on my lap like this. Yeah, I know. And just let that drain back into her sinuses somewhat. It's okay, Aggie, you're a good girl. Now this is the only thing they can think of to do right now with her. She's been on so many antibiotics. She can't get rid of the bacteria. It just keeps growing back. Or if they get rid of one type of bacteria, another type of bacteria grow back. She's on the shots, antibiotic shots. They had told me it needed to go into the muscle, and I was not going to do that. I considered then having to put her down because she was feeling quite sick. But then they said, well, they looked into it and said, well, it could go under the skin, which was okay, because I'll give it on the, would give it like you give a cat a shot for diabetes, just under the skin on the back of the neck where there aren't many nerves. So Aggie here went through 6 weeks of that, 2 shots a day. And when I was all done, she was feeling pretty good. But now it's a month and a half later and she's getting the congestion again. So there's nothing else to try as far as antibiotics. So the CERENIA is just going to keep her comfortable as long as possible. I figure eventually it's going to overtake her again, the bacteria, and then I'll have to make a decision at that time. But right now, she's got sneezing, congestion, but she's also eating good and she's running around when I let her out. So I'll hold her for a little bit and let's turn her over. I can hear the chick peep in there. But you just ate. You don't need any more food right now.